The dragon flag. We'll start with the example. As you notice, there are many variations for the dragon flag. It starts with something like a reverse crunch, but you're using your arms to help pull your hips up to the ceiling. As you're progressing through the move, you want to make sure your legs do not come towards your head unless the hips are underneath of it. As I come down each time, trying to make sure my hips are staying tucked and my quads are staying tight. This is what's keeping the pike position or the hinge position out of my hips as I'm getting to the final progression.